What's up YouTube? Hazing Gaming here, bringing you guys a quick video, and this is going to be my first ever repair video. I will be repairing this iPhone 4. It's already customized. I ordered a new screen for it. I think it's off right now. Yeah, see? It's going to be turning on in a couple of seconds now, and I'm going to be changing the screen because the LCD is not working. The screen, you can see it, but the digitizer is broken from the inside. I don't know how or what happened to it, but it got damaged. And I completely resetted this phone. My USB charger is right here, so I will plug it in right now, so we can at least won't be saying that it's dead or anything like that during the process. And this is where the screen came in. I ordered this from eBay. It came like 3 days ago. See, it charges and everything, and it works. So I'm going to be working on this phone now. So let's remove the charger. This box comes with the tools that you need to disassemble this phone, but I have my own because I've ordered a couple of screens lately, and I've been replacing them on phones that I have. But I use this one. Don't mind that little thing that you guys just saw there, standing right there in the little corner. I'll probably edit that out. So let's power this off. 3, 2, and a 1. Let's go. Now this turned off. Now let's gotta be careful I won't lose these screws from the bottom, because if I do, I'm gonna be stressed out. Now I don't, so oh wait, where's the magnets? So basically you need to remove this and this one, and then you get into the motherboard. So this is one part of it, and then the next part is going to be real quick and simple. If I can get this screw out, because I'm struggling right now. There we go. This just happened, and it's simple. You just, so it's like, put your hand, slide up, pick up, and then that's it. I'm gonna try not to break that, because if I do, I'm gonna be so close. The 2 screws. I'm sorry for the space I have. This table is kind of small. I'm going to be buying a new table soon. So you gotta take out 1, 2, 3. There's usually 4 screens on this. I mean 4 screws, but I lost one when I swapped out the screen for it. So it's not really big of a deal, because this is gonna be my iPod. So it's not such a big issue for me. If it was like my personal use phone, like for work and stuff like that, then I would be kind of worried about it, but not so much, because it really doesn't bother me that much. Because as long as this turns on, I know it works, I'm good. But this one isn't bad. Now that's 1. I mean that's 2. Now the third one. Right here. Just want to try to keep them separated from one another, so like that you won't misplace them and then get confused and use the one that you're not supposed to be using for that part. There we go. Now you lift this up, that comes out like that, and then you put in the corner, somewhere where it won't get in the way. Gotta use the sponger or something like that. Spudger. It's plastic. Just make sure that you don't break any of the connectors. So you see this LCD that I had is missing one of the connectors that goes right here. Let me see if you guys can see that. There we go. That connector, it was missing, and I only had this one, the display, which powered the display. So let's first things. Oh wait, second thing. Gotta disconnect the battery, which is down here. Put this in one corner, pick this up, move this out the way. So now all you need is to lift up. Don't worry about it if the metal part comes up. That's nothing big to worry about. So it's like you just go like that. See, mine just came off. Simple and quick. So I really don't care because that sticks back on. But there we go. That's the battery, and then you lift it up. Some of your batteries, they will be glued onto the back, so just be careful with that. Come on, battery. So difficult for you to get out. There we go. So this is the battery. Just put that right there for now. Let's take out the camera. Camera's simple, so that stays here. I'm going to be taking out the just try your best not to strip the screws because it becomes harder to take them out. So this is the rumbler or the vibrator. Then you wanna aim towards getting this off. This part right here. That's where the charging port and the speaker is at. So gotta get that off. And then from there you work your way out and take out the motherboard, and then you're done. Or not done, because then you gotta take off the screen and then put on the new one, and then you'll be good to go. So this is another plate, so make sure you don't lose that, and the screws are even way tinier. You're gonna need the splunger, or whatever this thing is called again. Make sure you don't break anything, or like you don't bend the connectors, because then that's one issue right there that you're gonna have to deal with. Like me right now, I'm struggling. There we go. So yours will probably be glued onto it if you haven't opened it yet. Because mine's, I opened it and I took off the hot glue from it. And then there's one screw over here in the corner that you have to take out, which is holding in the motherboard. So this is one. And for the speaker, there's another one over here in the corner. And these two go together. Oh, be careful with this some little small little connector that's here. I can't tell if you can see it. Let me see. Right there, that little thing. So you can take it off with your finger, as I just did. And then you see that's your speaker. So just make sure that you don't break that, because once you break that, probably gonna have to buy a new speaker. Hopefully you don't break it. Then you continue on with removing the motherboard. This is one of the screws. There's in total, only 2 screws, but then you need a flathead screwdriver to remove this special type of screw. Let me see where it is. Here it is. And the screw is up here on the top. It's like right there. That's like one special type of screw that is meant to hold that in place. Once you take this out, just put it in the little corner right here. Let me see what else. And that's it. And then you take off these connectors. 1, 2, and 3. And just move them out of the way. And then you can grab this. Oh wait, for me, I figured this out. It's easy to push up on a little tab type thing. Just be careful, you don't want to break the motherboard. Oh, no wonder. Where are my keys? No wonder it wasn't coming out. You gotta remove the SIM card tray. Oops. Sorry guys, don't make that mistake. Because then you'll probably end up breaking the motherboard. Like I almost did. Look. Now look. See? Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Then there's a motherboard right there. Then there is 1, 2, 3, 6 screws in each corners right here. And then there's 4 in each side. So those 4 in the each side, I already took them out a while back and didn't put them back. I usually do this when I'm taking this part out. I put it on its side because it's much easier. These screws, they have a little washer, so be careful, you don't want to lose that. 1. And here's the other. I'm gonna just loosen these two and then work from there because it's a lot of work just to not drop the washer and the screw at the same time. Okay, that's 1, 2, then okay, now all you gotta do is just grab the plastic spudger, or however you pronounce that. Some of you might have glue on your screen, so just make sure that when you're taking it off to remove it slowly. See, mine's already took off that glue that I had. So all I gotta do is just lift up and take out. So just like this. So then you get this, which is the housing of the phone. So see, look, for me, it was broken straight clear off, and I didn't have no way to fix it. So okay, so then you remove the frame off of the one that you have, which is very simple to do, just like that. It's like, then you got the screen by itself. Then you put that to the corner. Keep the frame somewhere where you can find it quick. Make sure the button doesn't fall out of place. Now let me let me open this.
No system eternal and no one immortal, creation all.
Let's just move this on top of the table. So slowly, let's take this out. That's all that's in here. So look, this is what this package brings. It was only $12. It comes with its customizable, has like a customizable screwdriver. And then the pieces are in here, which I hope I can take them out. Come on. There we go. So this is one of them, and then this is the other. It uses those. Put these off to the side. Got the little this suction cup thingy, and then this is to remove it from the side where the tape is at. That holds it in. And here's the LCD itself. Oh, never mind. Mine's came with the frame itself. Gotta take off this little red thing. This is a brand new screen too. You didn't have to take off the frame, but I took it off because I wanted to keep it all like white and black, but I can't do it, so I'm not gonna risk it breaking this. Let me just bend this right here. Then put it through there. So just like that. Make sure it clips in. Here we go. Alright, now I'm going to put this back in. Now, let me get this out the way. Let me put back the screws. Putting back these screws is not such an easy task, because you gotta put the rings back to where they were. There we go. Now process is gonna go quicker. Make sure that your button presses, because sometimes this has the tendency to stop pressing. So let's continue. Motherboard comes back in place. Click it down there. So put back the strange screw that you took out back into where it was, which was up here in the corner. Make sure you tighten that in. Then you work your way into the rumbler. Put the camera back in. Then you put back the motherboard. So put all the screws back into the motherboard. Here's one. This one goes right here. There we go. There we go, it just clicked. I'm not missing no screws no more here. Let's press this in. Let's put the screws back that belong here. Watch out with them because they're very tiny screws. Don't want to lose them. Then you work your way into the others. Just like that. Then you connect everything back into its spot. There we go. Got everything connected. Just going back into where it was at right now. Or I hope I can put it back to the spot it was at. There we go. That goes in there. Make sure you don't put in too much pressure onto the screen so it won't crack. Let me try to put that back where it was. There we go. Oh man. Put the middle one first so it can hold it down. There we go. Second one goes here. Third one. Crap, come on. Goes up here. Let me just make sure that all the screws are tight. Then let's put this back. Oh, let me grab the battery. Let's put this back in. There we go. Now the little metal casing that came off goes back on. So everything is in place. Now do the same thing you did, just push it down. And now let me try it out. Oh. So it's just been replaced. Now it's just booting up. I still haven't put the bottom two screws in just in case if I have to fix anything before I seal it. But let's see what happens. It takes a while. So let me just plug it in so I know that it's fully powered up. Where is that? Oh, it just vibrated. Oh, there we go. English, United States. Choose a network. I'll do this real quick. Wait, where's my phone? Alright, it's connecting to the internet. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Not gonna need this no more. Or this. This I'm gonna just put it right here. There we go. So basically I'm doing the boot up, enable, set up as new, sign in with your Apple ID. There we go, now signing in. Agree. It's taking a while. So hopefully. It's taking a while. Let's just give it a sec. Oh, there we go. Use iCloud. Use Find My iPhone. Next. It's taking a while. Let's just give it some time. Because this is going to be a very, very long video, guys. Oh, set up passcode. There we go. I still remember having this phone, but the black one. Proof from other device. Okay, so guys, this has been a completion. There we go. Let's close this. Mess around with the brightness. There we go. It's working. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like, subscribe, share, and I hope you guys enjoy. And leave a comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. If you want to see a review video of something specific, like a computer, phone, anything, just let me know and I will be down for it, and I'll let you guys know what I can do. If I can do it now or later or when I will be able to. I'm trying my hardest to keep the little upload schedule going for Sundays. Sundays or Saturdays, one or the other. Or usually these videos aren't easy to make. It takes a long time to edit and all that. So let's hope, or I make the schedule for Sundays or Mondays. Monday morning or afternoon, like around 4 p.m. Eastern. Same thing with Sundays. Sundays, it'll be probably in between the whole Sunday that I'll probably have time to upload it and finish editing the little small details and stuff like that. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace out.